After creating your channel, it takes you down here. So here is where you are to upload videos, but before then, let's verify. Verify your account and then customize it to get started. To verify your channel, please log into YouTube Studio and get started. Click on the logo there, that's where you have your name by the top right, and then click on YouTube Studio and get started. There you have so many features, your channel dashboard, and a lot of features to explore. So this is where you see all this dashboard content, customized content, monetization, and all that. To verify, click on settings. We have settings there. There you see the general setup, upload, default, and all that, permissions. Go to feature eligibility. Here you see we have standard features, we have intermediate features, and we have advanced features. So go to the second one. All these features will enable you to get your account visible and verified. So here you'll notice that the videos, you can't create videos more than 15 minutes if you don't get this done. You can't even create thumbnails. You can't use thumbnails. So you have to get this done. You can't go live. So verify your channel to get started. That's for beginners. If you just created your channel, this is the time for you to get it verified so you can explore all these features. Yeah, click on verify with phone number. Yeah, that's all. What you need to do is to put your country, select your country. If you're in Nigeria, if you're in US, wherever you are, click on it and then put your phone number and get a code. Once you get that code, yes, you're done and you're ready to get started with the entire YouTube features. Yeah, so you move to customization. Now we've gotten the channel verified and then we are ready to explore the features. Here on customization, we have the layout features. The first one, this will show you the channel trailer. Of course, you know when you open people's channel, you discover that there's one video that pops up. Yeah, this is it. So you have a channel trailer that talks about basically everything about your channel. Move to the features. We have features, videos here. Here, the videos you talk about your channel too, and then that's just there to pop up for your subscribers. The next thing is featured session. You can decide to put in anything here, either popular videos, upload them here, as well as shorts, whatever you want, live videos, whatever you want to be featured here, you can put it up here for your subscribers. So we have uploads here, popular. In my channel, I have popular videos. That's the one that has a lot of views. That one video that has a lot of views, yes, I have it here. So on the layout, we move to the branding. Branding is basically your profile picture. Branding is basically your profile picture, your cover photo, and everything that concerns the pictures on your channel. Now let's move to the basic info. Basically, your description of the channel. Talk about it. What do you want people to know about you? Write it there. Move to where you have your link. That's where you can copy your link. The next second part, that's the channel URL. Move to the link generally. Yes, I have links on my channel, so here is it. A lot of links there listed. So yeah, description is very important when it comes to this basic info. Talk about your channel. Let people know what you are doing. Let people know your niche, and then move to monetization. The monetization feature will show you what is required for you to get paid. How many subscribers is needed? That's 1,000. How many public hours view? 4,000. And then we move to two-step verification. Very important. Verify it. And also the last thing is, do you have an active community strike? If you don't have any strike, then you are good to go and your channel is ready to start uploading video. Please subscribe to my channel and share.